Y'all, this wig is fire. This wig is fire. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? I'm feeling real bougie right now, you know what I'm saying? I saved some money getting a human hair dupe. Today in this video, I'm just gonna be showing y'all this real cute dupe from Amazon that I got. This color has been trending in the wig streets for quite a while now on the human hair version, and I saw this wig on Amazon and I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and review it and see if it's a good dupe. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me if you like videos like this. I do a lot of wig reviews and makeup and skincare and other stuff on this channel. Give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button, and let's just go ahead and jump into this video. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. So yeah, I got this wig from Amazon, guys, and I'm excited about this wig. So this color is a trending kind of highlighted color in the whole human hair wig game right now, and I saw this wig on Amazon. You know, I was scrolling, I was buying stuff on Amazon. You know how it is, you buying stuff every other day on Amazon, and I came across this wig. So I bought this wig and I wanted to see how it is. So let's go ahead and see if this is a good dupe. I'm really curious. I actually got a wig from this company a couple years ago, and I really did like the quality. I felt like the wig really held up. It was like my work wig. I'll leave a link, I think right here. I'll leave a link right here to that bang wig. It was like $20, so I'll leave a link right there to the other wig that I did get. So this is what the wig is looking like. It came in this little package here. I think it came with a wig cap on and some lashes. Actually it did. It fell out and I don't have it to show y'all, but it did. So this is what the wig is looking like fresh out the pack. Look at that color. This is that gorgeous color that you've been seeing all over your gram, okay? It's a nice pretty color. You have some highlights on the front here, and then you get like this nice brown in the back here. As far as the wig construction goes, looks like you're going to get two combs. You're going to get one right here, one right here. It comes with this I guess this is a fake scalp attempt, okay, and comb in the back, and this is what the cap is looking like. Looks like it's nice and stretchy too, and it comes with this little piece of lace right here. I'm not too sure why, because let's just put it on. I don't know why they're giving us that lace, because honestly, as far as plucking goes, I don't know. I'm not really gonna be plucking nothing right there, but okay. So this little piece in the middle here, guys, it's like this little plasticky attempt for a fake scalp, but it's really hard and plasticky, and that's what the part is looking like. It's kind of reminding me of one of those like wigs you bought back in the day off of Facebook, and it had that little plastic in the middle. That's exactly what it is, y'all. Y'all know I can't lie to y'all. So let's go ahead and put this wig on. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this attempt of lace in the front here, because it's no special way to cut it. Just cut it off, okay? Just cut that piece. What I don't have to zigzag nothing. I don't have to do anything, because I'm not plucking anything there. So I'm just gonna cut it off, and because it's a straight wig, you're not really gonna see all of that. But this wig, I'm running my fingers through it already. I am getting a little bit of kind of snags. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my wig spray on it, because I know I'm gonna have to. I use this synthetic wig spray. It's a nice kind of conditioning wig spray, guys. It just helps the synthetic wigs just kind of gliding your fingers through it. I like to use that and a little bit of serum. I'll leave a link below, again, from Amazon. Y'all know Amazon got everything. Stop playing, stop playing. Oh, and this turban too. I'm not trying to sell y'all. I'm really trying to just tell you guys, because you ask me and then sometimes I forget. This turban, I did a review on them. If you want to see, I'll leave a link below, and this is from Amazon too, so it's like a nice little stretchy little turban thing, okay? So I already have my wig grip on. Again, where it's from, y'all already know it's from Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link below. I like the one with the lace part for lace part wigs, even though we're not really seeing the lace part thing going on there. All right. Okay, we might have a little dupe, y'all. So this is already getting real tangly on me. Just gonna spray my wig spray. I like to use a little bit of serum, any kind of like thick oil serum. This is just an Aussie Moist Hydration Oil. I like to use that because it does help with gliding your fingers through these wigs. They're synthetic, it's not human hair, so you have to remember what you're paying for. And you see like how it's a little tangly already. Just put a little bit of spray on it and serum. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of music on. I just wanted to stop real quick. You guys see the difference in when you add a little bit of heat? You see how it's laying a little bit flatter compared to this humpy wig action going on over here? Get a little hot comb, girl, and it's gonna help lay the hair down.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away.
This wig is fire. This wig is fire. Yes. So I'm back putting on this wig, and this wig is bomb. Sometimes in life you gotta fake it till you make it, girl. And this is a perfect dupe for what is happening in these wig streets with these highlights. Do you see me? Do you see me? So I did go in and put a little bit of heat right here, and I did also put that powder in that parting space. It has like this little fake scalp thing going on here, but there's no parting space in here, so I don't even see the point of that. But it actually is cool because when you put the powder over it, it kind of makes it look more scalpish, if that makes sense. Like, you're not seeing the knots, so okay, I'll take it because of that. I do love this color. This color is absolutely gorgeous. It's kind of reminding me of my Bobbi Boss Rosewood wig that I reviewed a couple months ago now because I've been off these wig streets for a minute, but I did review a Bobbi Boss color that looks kind of like this, and it's really reminded me of that. So you're definitely going to get your chunky highlights. This is like this yellowish blonde right here with this chocolate color, and then in the back it's kind of more not the chunky highlights. So this is what it's looking like in the front with all the hair to the front right here. All right, and then in the back it's looking like that. The cap feels really good. I am getting a little bit of tangling. It is a synthetic wig. It is not human hair. Remember, we are trying to get dupes in these streets. You know, we trying to look like the current trends, but you know, if you don't have over $100, you might need to just get a dupe, and this is a good dupe. It's $26. Most of these other synthetic wigs are way over $30 to $40, so I think this is actually a good price for this look. Remember what you're paying for. You're paying for the look. Now, as far as hairline goes, we're not getting hairline. The cap, like I said, the cap is, did I say that? I don't know if I said it. The cap feels comfortable. I do wish it came down a little bit more, but it's comfortable. It's not tight. It's not giving me a headache, so I like that. I do also like the fact that it's not really shedding crazy. Okay, it is shedding a little bit, but I don't know if it's the way I cut it too. But it's not shedding crazy though. Like, it's not like, you know those wigs, those annoying wigs that every 2 seconds you run your fingers through it and you see it shedding? It's not like that. But I am getting a lot of snags with this, but it's still cute. I mean, it's still, I will wear this wig. First of all, did y'all see, like, I'm feeling real bougie in this wig. Really melanin and bougie, for real, for real. So it does say it's 26 inches, and I see some other colors on here. I'll leave the link, so it's other colors you can get. The thing that I do not like, I'm gonna let y'all know, okay? The thing that I do not like about these wig companies off Amazon, some of them, is that, first of all, this picture right here that sold me, I already know how wigs are. I know how these synthetic wigs are. They sold it with like that frontal effect. That was the human hair one. When you click on this wig, you're gonna see a picture of the girl on Amazon. She has like a human hair frontal, okay? Keep that in mind. You're not gonna get that frontal effect. You're gonna get this lace part effect, okay? You're gonna get a synthetic lace part effect. You're not gonna get no frontal, so don't look for that. Otherwise, overall, I do like it. I think she's really soft. Other than the snags, you might have to go on with your blow dryer and just kind of brush it out a little bit with some heat. I do like this wig because I know what I'm paying for. I know that I am on a budget, and I know exactly what I'm paying for. Know what you sign up for, and you're gonna be okay. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. If I forgot to say something, I'm sorry. I'm kind of just getting back into this filming. like routine, and sometimes I forget stuff. So let me know if you got any questions. Drop me a comment down below. I do talk back to my people. You know, I like to talk to y'all, like to get to know y'all. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I think she's a winner, y'all. I think she's a winner. Until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.
Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy.